What's up, guys? Welcome to the BullRush Trade Review Show episode 2. Today we're going to go over the practice arena. It's just a nice free place to practice. No prize available, so no pressure on having to win a prize and do good. But we're going to go over it anyways this week because I did see some really good things going on here. So let's get right into it. First off, we see just like last week, first placer won with trading gold, ended with a crazy equity of $298,000. So we can get right into it and see what they did, see what kind of trades they did. I believe this one ran for a week and a half. So yeah, we see most of their trades were done between the 28th and 29th. So in 2 days, he made the majority of his wealth here, but we can see pretty much all did gold trades, all gold buys, all the way down, and just stuck with that volume. Went really hard with gold, and didn't slow down at all, really. And let's see. Wow, yeah, Shivam did a lot of gold trades there, high quantity of trades here. We can see 285 trades total that Shivam did here during this competition. So we saw before in the last competition, people weren't doing that many trades, just large quantities of trades, and that helped some people a lot. But in Shivam's case, if this was a paid competition where we'd be giving out a prize, obviously he would have gotten first place, and rightfully so, with $289,000 of ending equity. Just to remind you guys, everybody starts with $100,000 of equity, and from there you go up and down. Now, these practice competitions do not have any drawdown, but typically our drawdown's 8%. Yeah, just keep that in mind. Shivam did really good gold, and really nothing else. He didn't trade anything else throughout the whole time. And I believe our second placer, Jess, a little less return, 65%, but still great. Love to see it. Love to see it. But yeah, gold as well. Let's see if Jess did anything else besides gold. So it looks like Jess traded in a shorter amount of time. Oh, nope, actually a long amount of time. Still a decent amount of time. Let's dive right into here. So, yep, Jess, unlike Shivam, who did a ton of very heavy trades in gold, we see Jess did a bunch of smaller trades in gold. We can see the volume of the trades are much smaller when Shivam's was at 10. Jess is about at 0.01 to 1 to 0.1, keeping it around there. Threw in some Bitcoin trades here. Bitcoin to USD, and then did a bunch of other Bitcoin trades, and again, a lot of entries. So 89 trades during this competition. That's a lot of trades, but it turned out right for Jess. You ended up with a ending return of 65%, which we love to see it. And your main one was gold, it looks like, and Bitcoin. So good job, Jess. Good job. Love to see it. So let's go on to number 3. We're going to do a quick one this week since it wasn't a paid competition. Nothing really was on the line. I just wanted to kind of give a little shout out to these guys who made place first, second, and third, and kind of break down what they do, give you guys an idea of what they're doing to get to this first place. Because don't forget, our next competition starts May 27th, and that's going to be our May Mayhem. It's going to be the same prize as our last competition, our maiden voyage competition. First place $100, second place $50, and third place $25. So don't forget to join that one. So we see something different here. Finally, something different. T588, looks like your most traded position was Euro and against USD. Let's check it out. Let's see what you really got into here. Let's look at the meat and potatoes.
My life, it's potato.
So wow, 3 trades. So and this kind of just goes to show you that you don't always have to be that heavy trader. You don't have to do 180, 250 trades within the competition to win. We're looking at your total percentage of return. So if you do 2-3 trades and you get the return on those 2-3 trades, you could easily win the first, second, third place prize. The only thing you have to keep in mind is you do have to be trading at a minimum of 2 trading days. So we can see that T did trade a minimum of 2 trading days. Looks like you traded a good 4 or 5 days. But throughout those days, main money makers here were Euro and USD with a combined $24,000 of profit, and then you came in hard at the end there with a gold trade. Everybody seems like we can't get away from the gold trades. Everybody's trading gold nowadays. But good job, T. I love to see it. Great job. Again, no prize for this one, but you guys definitely have some bragging rights.
Great success!
Great place to brag, our Discord. So don't forget to hop in the Discord. We'll have the link in the description below. If you click our link tree, we have it there. All of our social medias have the Discord link everywhere. Pretty hard to find, but you don't want to miss out on that Discord. We have a ton of free information here. And yeah, so I don't, like I said, this is a free competition, so I don't want to dive too deep into it, but I just wanted to kind of touch on the main points here, the main trades in the first, second, third place trades and what they got. Wanted to remind you guys that we have our next competition May 27th, starting on May 27th. Again, that is going to be, we can check it out right here. We'll just look at it. So the next competition will be the Mayhem competition. Starts on May 27th. First place $100, second place $50, and third place $25. We already got almost 500 contestants in there. So make sure you join. Make sure you practice in our practice competition. Get that strategy right, so that way you go and you win that $100. And don't stop there, because next month on June 24th, we have a even bigger prize. We have a $500 first place prize, $250 second place prize, and $50 third place prize. So definitely stick around, definitely keep practicing, definitely perfect your trades, and get in on that one, because that's definitely not going to be one that you want to miss. Last thing I want to go over is we just launched our new website and blog page, so check that out, BullRush.com. Keep up with all of our latest blogs. If you go to the top, you could click blog and read all of our wonderful blogs. We got a ton of really good information, ton of trading tips, ton of trading insights. Internet's a little bit slow where I'm right now, but yeah, you'll see if you go on here, you can get a ton of great information. And just like I said, you don't want to miss it, but join our Discord. We have a great Discord, ton of people in here, we got weekly live Q&As, we got a general discussion, we got a trading bot. You can go in here and ask for any kind of heat maps or charts or just prices of any kind of cryptocurrency or Forex currency or whatever you need. We got all of our latest Bull Rush news, so we'll have all of our winners be posted here. All of the latest competitions, any giveaways will be posted in the giveaway section. We're going to be doing a ton of giveaways with merch, ton of free entries into some of the paid competitions that we have later on in August. As well as, this is the best place to stay up to date with Forex news. So in our Forex news, we have a ton of live streams. So, just since 3 p.m., right now it's 4:20 p.m. So just in 3 p.m. we have 5 new news stories in Forex, and we have, let's see, 2 new so since 4:10, so just in the last 10 minutes, we got 2 new news stories in our crypto chat. But yeah, it's a great place to keep up with all of Forex news, crypto news, our social media posts. We have all of our social media posts here, some great memes that we're posting. And of course, if you ever have any questions, you can always email support@bullrush.com, or you can hop up over here into the help center and click server support or Bullrush support, and we can get all of your questions answered within I'm going to say within 24 hours, but typically it's going to be within a couple hours, an hour or so. So we're pretty reactive on the Discord. So, if you have any questions, that's the best place. Moral of the story is, if you're not in the Discord, you're missing out, and who really wants to miss out in life, right? So join the Discord. You have nothing to lose. And join the next Bull Rush competition. I can't wait to see you guys go to the top of the leaderboard. Peace.